Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, I did a part 2 now. It's because for the first video, I accidentally cut it. But anyways, I was doing continuation of my inking, and then I was gonna show you coloring. Let's go. And by the way, if you hadn't seen this, check out my part 1. There you'll see how I did this drawing and the inking now. And that's how I do the inking. I'll erase all the pencil lines so that it's kind of look better. Right now it just looks weird. Oh my god. I don't know what that was, but okay. Anyways, now that this cool picture's done, now I'm gonna show you guys how to color. I'll get you the colors. You know what? I'm just kidding. You don't really need anything. You just need red. And I'll explain you why. Because there's some highlights for the red. So here's how it is. On the head, you'll have to draw draw a line like this, but you have to leave that white. And then the same thing down here. It's because there's some highlight going on. we're actually gonna do some highlights in here too. So as you can see, this is how you really draw a really cool way of Spider-Man. And there's also one more thing I forgot.